Hey everybody, I'm about to get some sleep. It's about 9:30, but tomorrow morning I'll be waking up at 5 a.m. and making my way to Mount Rushmore, and then sometime later in the day I'll be making my way to Custer State Park and Wind Cave National Park. So 3 amazing locations set for tomorrow, but I'm gonna get some sleep and I'll see you guys at 5 a.m. The sun's making its way up this morning and I'm officially on my way to Mount Rushmore. I'm about 30 minutes out and maybe we'll make some breakfast when we get there. Wow, these roads are absolutely incredible with the forest on both sides. You guys know I'm a big fan. And we are about 6 minutes and 3 miles out. I've been hanging out here at Mount Rushmore for a little while now, and as you can see behind me, it's absolutely gorgeous. Just an unbelievably fascinating sight to see. I've met some cool friends. What's up, guys? And just a gorgeous view nonetheless. I'm gonna stick around and enjoy Mount Rushmore for a little while and then make my way to some other locations that I have to see. And I'll see you guys there. I've just left Mount Rushmore, and what an incredible sight it was to see, to say the least. If you have not seen it, I highly recommend it. And if you ever get the chance to see it in your life, I would definitely recommend that you take advantage of that opportunity. So I'm now headed to a trailhead with some of the friends I met at Mount Rushmore, and when I get there I'll probably make some food. So we'll be at the trailhead in about 45 minutes and looking forward to an awesome hike. I've arrived here at Custer State Park. $20 entrance fee, but well worth it, it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and cook up some breakfast or lunch, and then we'll go explore this beautiful lake, Sylvan Lake I believe it's called. So let's go ahead and pop the truck and we'll get cooking.
Only the fancier cars that usually require more.
Is the Charger a fancy car?
Yeah.
It does look really pretty impressive.
It depends on how, how high of tolerances you have in your engine, right?
Okay.
So trucks, they give them pretty big tolerances because they just want them to work always.
Like, okay, you know what? Why not? Let me treat myself as it. How are you able to get?
So I commute mostly in town, right?
Right?
So when it comes to that, it makes it very, you fill up at home and you have basically have a full tank every morning. I have a charger in my house, obviously, and then you have like the fast chargers that I'm for like road trips and all that.
Houses?
So
And
that's
I
how
feel like
I started, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. My dad's in it too, but I never really started with him. I randomly met some guy. It turns out my dad worked for him years ago. So I asked him for a job and he gave me one. He taught me everything I know.
Wow.
And honestly, really what it was for me is that I got lucky. I met the right people at the right time.
Yep.
And I was set up for success.
Which is huge.
Yeah, which I think that might be case. But it's, I like it. I don't like working for people.
Okay.
Which, if you're buying a car, you're paying about double that. So, and nothing fancy, But,
I can't believe we saw Alaska, guys.
that's insane.
You're like, there's no.
Yeah, I usually wake up between 6 and 6:30, no matter what.
It's looking good.
I usually wake up.
My body's around
Usually
It's
between.
time to eat. I've finished a delicious meal, and now it's time to go and explore a little Sylvan Lake right here, which is a part of Custer State Park. Here we go, Sylvan Lake. Just a beautiful area thus far. Excited to explore. Just an absolutely stunning view. mean, those rocks are just fantastic. After enjoying some time here at Sylvan Lake, I had the opportunity to break out the drone and get some awesome footage. Here's a quick view, but let me go ahead and show you some of that footage now. Enjoy. We're on our way to the Cathedral Spires trailhead, and we're approaching a tunnel here, but I couldn't help but to enjoy the beauty of these guys right here. And it's a one-lane tunnel, so things do have a tendency to get backed up. But it looks like we'll be there shortly. All right, so here we are at the Cathedral Spires trailhead. That's pretty remarkable right there. You guys ready?
What's up?
Hell yeah.
Do it.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna go with my wife.
We've come across an absolutely stunning sight. But I mean, that's just everything, right? It's all just stunning, stunningly beautiful. Wow. South Dakota. Absolutely amazing. It looks like we're gonna wrap it up here at the Cathedral Spires. Absolutely sensational views. What do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Really amazing. Breathtaking.
Oh,
Breathtaking.
there we go. Unbelievable, those guys getting their graduation pics taken. Where are we going next? Needles Highway?
Needles Highway.
Off to Needles Highway. We're on our way to our next destination, and we got this nice little tunnel here. It's about 8.5 feet wide, 10.5 feet tall. Amazing. I'm driving around. Oh, these guys got collars on? That dude's wearing a collar. Gorgeous wildlife here. Wow. Look at that. That's amazing. Oh my God. What up, dude? How you doing? Unbelievable. It's amazing how comfortable they are around humans. We're on this wildlife road out here, and got a nice herd of buffalo. And I'm about to play a game of backgammon, and we also need to say bye to our friends here. Bye. Ready for backgammon?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Awesome.
As my friends were leaving, they notified me that there were a bunch of buffalo up here, and they sure are. Wow, look at that. Oh my God, that's unbelievable. Massively gorgeous creatures. That is something else. We've got another absolutely massive crowd of buffalo. My goodness. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's some over there. What up, Doug? Oh my God, look at all these guys. We're being surrounded. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that guy. That dude is massive. That dude is absolutely massive. Oh, this guy's coming back. Oh, man. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's so many. What in the name of God? All right, friends. Well, there you have it. An absolutely unbelievable day. Met a bunch of people. I got the opportunity to see Mount Rushmore. I spent a large majority of the day here at Custer State Park, and I got to meet some pretty cool people. And unfortunately, I was not able to make it to Wind Cave National Park. A lot of their park was closed, and I'm actually going to be going to dinner with my friends here. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. What's up, man? How you doing? Good to see you guys. Good to see you, man. What's up, big dog? Good to see you. Good to see you. Looking good. Nice horns. Good to see you. See ya.